Well, this is it. We're done, and now we are ready to move on. So once you're done with all of the three parts, you turn it like that. Be careful because one of them is still on the needles. And what you have to do is you have to braid it, actually, because we need a braid, right? So let's go here. You might choose the right side, but they are identical anyway. Now let's go. So you braid it as if it was just a braid of hair. So you don't need many twists. So maybe we will turn it like this, okay? This is much easier to make it. So one goes here, like that. One goes here, and one goes here. Then this one here, like that. And this one is here. So try to adjust it so that you have more space to work with, like that. And here. So this is what we get. Then you turn it like that, and now you need to catch all of the loops back on the needle. So that's why I take the second needle and I start working with it. So now parts of them are on needle number 1, so that's why I need to move them. I need to move them like this, one by one. Here we are, one by one. I'm done. So the next one, this is the next one. So let's find, you can actually pull it and be careful here. So count them so you don't lose them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And this one is left. So what we do, we pull it out and we catch them like that. Don't forget to count so that you don't lose anything. And we're done. Good. Now we have all of them back on our needles. And we are ready to move on. So now you need, oh, sorry. Now we need to move on, working the same piece as here for other 17 centimeters. So we have 17, 15, and 17 more. So now you just take your yarn. Don't worry about the tails, we will hide them. Now take your yarn, take your needle, and let's start here. So the first one, nothing, and the second one is a purl, so I purl it like that. So the next one is a knit. In this way you continue 17 more centimeters. So this one last here should be knit. The next one is purl, but be careful, I have my yarn, my tail here, so you purl it. All right, and you continue. So here you have to be attentive because you need this pattern of 1 purl, 1 knit, and that's why don't miss it. Like that, you purl it, and this one that you need. Okay, so here is the purl. Oh, now here we are. We have to be careful here because it's a purl. Then we need a knit. Now if you have the same situation as me here, because look, I purled the last one and now I have to knit, but the second one here is also knit. So look what I do. I take 2 of them, I knit both of them like this. That's it. Well, now I proceed, but don't forget it's -1, right? And we don't have to lose anything. That's why you continue. So it's purl, knit, purl, knit, and now we need to add 1 more because we cannot end it with 1 less. That's why I will make an increase here. Look what I do, be careful. So I take 1 here, I place it on the needle, and I knit, purl it. And the last one is also purl because it's the final one. Now we have the even number and it is matching and it's fine. So this is the result. Okay, and now you just move on with the same pattern for 17 more centimeters, and once you're done, I meet you here to join these 2 parts.